Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I included this product links in the description to find the most up-to-date pricing. Stay tuned and let's get into the video. UZI Tactical Pen UZI-TACPEN2-BK. The UZI Defender Tactical Pen is widely trusted by military, police, and special forces, but it's also a great pen for business executives and creative writers. This pen features a highly durable carbide glass breaker tip on one end and a smooth ballpoint tip on the other end, designed for a seamless writing experience. The TACPEN2-BK is refillable with standard and Fisher Space Pen refills, as well as other generic Space Pen refills. When you're not using it, the UZI-TACPEN2-BK Defender Tactical Pen with glass breaker will fit easily into your briefcase, desk, or backpack. I have included this product link in the description. You can check out this link for more information and latest price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a like and share with your friends.